It's your girl Mimi.
And Becky and Olivia.
And we are back with another video.
So today we're gonna make cupcakes.
Yes, today we are making cupcakes and cookies. Well, we already know how to make cupcakes, but we're gonna try something different and make cookies along with cupcakes. So the type of cookies and cupcakes we are making is blue velvet. Y'all know about red velvet, but today we're gonna do blue velvet cake instead of red. Y'all know it's the holidays, it's Christmas time, so
it's almost Christmas.
Yes, it is, sis. So today we are gonna do blue velvet cupcakes and cookies. Y'all ready? You ready, sis?
Yes.
Let's do this, y'all. So we have all of our ingredients up here. Look at this, guys.
Blue.
It's pretty, right? Blue.
Yeah.
I actually should have gotten another bag because I'm finna try to do cupcakes and cookies out this one bag. That was really like dumb, right?
No.
No? Yeah, because we're gonna try to make it do what it do, right, sis?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Because we're doing cookies too.
Wow. It smells so good, Mom. Alright, do we need water towards that?
Okay, so that should be enough.
Okay.
Half and half. That should be more than enough. Because y'all know you don't need a lot of
No.
you don't need a lot of mix when you're making cupcakes. You just fill up half. Because you don't want it to be looking like muffins.
What's the mean muffins? I want to put the butter in.
If you fill the cupcake thing, it's gonna look like muffins.
Wow.
Okay, so we got our stick of butter, and then they asked for 3 eggs.
I want to put the eggs in.
No, ma'am. Stir.
Ooh, eggy. You want me to give you the eggs? Okay.
We need 3 large eggs. No, I got it, cause I think the eggs actually broke. So
some of them did.
Yeah, these are my mom's eggs, and y'all, I don't know what she got going on.
Oh no, they cracked. Ew, guys. Do you know how to crack eggs? My God. We need 3
I don't even eat eggs.
Yes, you do, Mom.
I don't eat eggs like that.
I know you do.
They don't want to come off. Look at that. It looks like
Ew. Don't eat eggs.
Okay, so we're going to use 1 more egg.
Oh, it stinks. The whole thing stinks.
It stinks really bad.
It stinks really, really
Okay,
bad.
wait. Let me hold it.
Oh, wow. Good.
Okay, so I'm tripping.
You're tripping.
Yeah. Shells in the cake. Okay, so then it actually asks for, we need oil. No, we need water. So then we'll need water.
This water.
Put this over here.
Okay.
We need water next, guys. We need 2.5 cups of water.
I want to pour the water in.
All right, let me see.
Okay.
We need 2/3 cup of water.
2/3. Okay.
So we're gonna pour 2/3 cup of water.
And then I want.
Okay, so we got all of our ingredients in. Yes, we have all of our ingredients in. Now we are gonna mix the mix.
I want to mix it.
Oh, let me do it first.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's going everywhere!
I'm not used to using this.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I use a the girl be using a spoon. Let me see. Hold on. I use a spoon.
No!
Got it, sis?
Yeah!
Looking good. She got it looking good over here. Yes, we gotta give y'all a look out on how our mix look. Gotta make sure you blend it in good, sis. Yeah, you gotta stir it. Gotta make sure them cupcakes come out right, sis. Because these are not any old just cupcakes. These is blue velvet, red velvet, blue velvet, pink velvet. Not just any type of cupcake. Y'all know red velvet gotta be made good. Finally done mixing. Came out. Put your... How it taste? Is it good? Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's yummy. Okay, let me see. We're gonna sit this down.
Okay. Are we gonna add the oil?
Our mix came out. Ooh, can't let it fall.
You got it on my shirt when you mixed it.
Blue velvet. Blue velvet, guys. Now let's pour these cupcakes in. Let me see.
We're not gonna do oil? No oil?
Let me see. Just a little. You don't need a lot. You just need a little like that. That's all you need, sis. Just a little. Hold on. Let me do one side. Let it drip. Or you can shake it, but when you shake it, you need to get down there. You don't have to be all up shaking.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we are going to put these cupcakes in the oven and we're going to see how our cupcakes turned out. When they are finished, we'll let you guys know. Oh yeah, we're not doing the cookies anymore. The cookies kind of messed us up. But when we're done. Alright guys, so our cupcakes are finally finished and we are about to put the icing on the cupcakes. And this is how our cupcakes turned out. We did some confetti.
And we did the blue velvet cake.
Yes, the
blue velvet cake.
Alright, hold on. You gotta put some icing. You don't need that much. All you need is a little bit. Scoop a little bit out. And we're gonna put the icing. Grab a cup. Just grab one. Put it in your hand. And then just rub it all over the cupcake. So this is the icing, guys. You gotta make it look pretty, sis. You can't just be rubbing it all on there any type of way.
Mine looks so cute.
Can I see? Let me see. Okay. You know that's all you're gonna put on there? You ain't gonna put no more on there?
Yeah.
You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot more. You just rub it in. Why you not rub? The camera can't see you, baby girl. They want to see how you putting the icing on. They can't see you, Olivia. Alright guys, so we finally made it home. Yeah. And we have our cupcakes. And we are finally finna try our blue velvet cupcakes. Hopefully they don't fall. That looks good though, right guys? Yeah. That looks so delicious.
Don't let it slide and fall.
And we are ready
to eat.
Here you go, sis.
I'm gonna do this one.
We have to try it together. Let's see how they taste. Hold on, wait for me.
Okay.
Dang, y'all, she not gonna wait for me. We made them together. We can't eat them together. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. Tastes like heaven, right? It's just delicious. Y'all, we made these cupcakes. Thumbs up. We did that. We could eat all these cupcakes tonight if we wanted to. These cupcakes is delicious. Let's bite in. No, you bite in. You gonna waste it all on my bed. I just want to dig in and just. How your face look? That's how good it is. Mine too. I got it on my lips too. That's so delicious.
All over my face.
They are so delicious. We can't even tell. These things are good. These cupcakes bomb. They moist. They are good, y'all. I like the cupcake. All she want to do is eat the icing off the cupcake. You didn't even eat the whole cupcake. Y'all, that was good. Give us a thumbs up on this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, you already know. Subscribe, babes. Thank you guys for watching. And I need some water, some milk, or something. Because this cupcake is dry, but it is busting. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye, babes.